In this video, I want to show you the fuse box location on your Dodge Nitro. So the fuse box is located under the hood. There's no fuse box in the interior of the cabin. So to pop the hood, simply need to pull on this lever right over here. You'll find in the middle over here a latch when you put your finger. Okay, I can definitely feel it. It's right there. You simply need to put the latch towards the right and to pull up the hood. You see, this was the latch. And the fuse box is located on the right side, right over here. To unlock this cover, we simply need to pull on these tabs, you see, like that. And all the fuses will be located right over here. And you're gonna have a fuse diagram telling you each fuses is which, so it's very easy to find in case you want to replace one. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. To close it, just need to put it back this way. Leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.